नमस्कार। आज हम एक नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे। चैप्टर का नाम है लॉज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। बिफोर डिस्कसिंग द लॉज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस we have already discussed about function production. In previous classes we have studied function production. In function production, the technical relationship between output and input. Technical relationship between the output as well as input is called function production. For example, production is the function of L and K. If we assume that we have labor and capital, two factors of production, then the output means production will be the function of these two factors. This is already studied in our previous class. And in previous class we have also studied that in short run one factor is variable and all other factors remains constant. It means we can use variable factor to meet our fulfillment or our demand. And also in long run we have studied that all factors are variable. All factors are variable. By using all factors we can produce things to meet our demand. Now we will discuss in reference of these short run and long run two laws, and these two laws are, first one is return to factor, and the second is returns to scale. These two laws, this laws in short run, while this is in long run. Returns to scale is related to long run, while returns to factor is related to short run period. In short run period we know that only one factor is variable and other remains constant. It means only using one factor we can increase the demand or we can fulfill our demand. So in short run such situation is called returns to factor by the economists. So what is the returns to factor? We can define it returns to factor is that situation in which variable factors are increased with constant factors to increase the output, to increase the output. That is called returns to factor. While in long run, or we can define the returns to scale, a situation where all factors are variable. By using the all factors, variable factors, we increase the output. Such situation is called returns to scale. So we can define in better way, returns to scale is that situation in which we uses all variable factors to increase the output, and such situation is related in long run period. That is why it is called returns to scale. Now the basic thing, what is the difference between these two laws of production? Very simple. We can now discussing the differences between these two laws. First one is returns to factor, and we take here returns to scale. Return to factor is applicable in short period, of time, while returns to scale is related to long run period. So in short period, when the output is increased, we are discussing it returns to factor, and when in long run period, when output is increasing, then we will decide it that it is returns to scale. Second is one factor is variable and others remain constant. It means only one factor is variable while other factors remains constant. But in returns to scale, all factors are variable. We can changes in all variables factors to produce output, that is called returns to scale.